earlier today, there was some sound coming out of the tubing of our air conditioning. I didn't think much of it. I thought a bird had flown up and into it, and that seemed to be the case. We shook the tubes, the bird flew out, we named him Larry. What we didn't realize was that Larry and some of his friends thought it would be a good idea to create a couple of nests in those air conditioning tubes. I guess Larry had his revenge. We also found Larry Jr. in the form of an egg.